Did you know that you can write inline scripts inside the A2019 bot? Applications, especially web pages, are coded using scripting languages such as JavaScript and VBScript. To automate such applications, Automation Anywhere provided the run script command to execute external programs. However, you could not manually edit or write the script in the bot. With Automation Anywhere Enterprise A2019, this has changed. You can now directly write JavaScript and VBScript using the commands JavaScript and VBScript respectively. Also, to enhance the support for machine learning capabilities within the Automation Anywhere platform, you can now write and/or execute the Python script. This is a new feature in Enterprise A2019. To understand how to write and execute a script, let's look at a demo. In this demo, you will create a Python script. Note that to execute a Python script, it is mandatory to have Python runtime installed on the device. First, log into your Enterprise control room. On the dashboard page, select the Bots tab and then select My Bots. In the My Bots page, click the Create Task Bot icon. Provide a suitable name for the bot, and then click the Create and Edit button. In the Edit Task Bot page, under the Actions tab on the left, scroll down and select Python script. This displays 4 commands: Open, Close, Execute Function, and Execute Script. First, double-click the Open command to specify an existing Python file or to manually enter the Python script. In the Open command window, enter a name for the session in the Python session field. For this demonstration, let us go with the default name. It is recommended to use the same session name in the other actions in the Python script package, so you do not have to provide the details of the file or the script in those actions again. Select the Import Existing File radio button to use an existing Python file, or select the Manual Input radio button to manually enter the Python script. In this case, you will manually write the script. After entering the script, select the radio button corresponding to the Python runtime version you want to use to execute the script. In this case, let us select 3. Next, click the Apply button. Enterprise A2019 provides you with an option to execute a Python function in a script or the entire script. To execute a function, double-click the Execute Function command. In the Execute Function command window, enter or accept the name of the session that you used in the Open action. Enter the name of the function that you want to execute and the arguments you want to pass to that function. Next, select the variable from the Assign the Output to Variable list to store the output of the function. You can also click the Create Variable icon to create a new variable. In the Create Variable window, enter a name for the variable and, optionally, enter a description. Then click the OK button. The variable is displayed in the variable field. Finally, click the Apply button. If you want to execute the entire script that is available in the Python file in the Open action, or what you have specified manually, use the Execute Script command. Next, it is mandatory to close the session after the script is executed. Double-click the Close command to terminate the Python session you established using the Open action. In the Close command window, check if the name of the session is that used in the Open action. Now click the Save button in the top right corner to save the bot. Finally, click the Run icon to see your bot run. Similarly, you can use the JavaScript and VBScript actions to manually edit and/or execute the JavaScripts and VBScripts respectively. Thank you for watching this vignette. Now you know how to write inline scripts inside the A2019 bot. Please visit the Automation Anywhere documentation and training webpage for other video resources under the Did You Know series. For questions or comments on this video, please contact us at learning@automationanywhere.com.